How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 and we're gonna make a key from scratch. By the way, if you like my videos, I would recommend to subscribe so you can see our daily videos. I'm gonna go to Immobilizer, agree to the terms. I'm gonna go to Dodge. I'm using, by the way, the IM100 or IM508 by Autel key machine. And I'm using the universal Autel remotes. I'm gonna go to automatic selection and I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna turn the hazard lights on in order to wake up the computer, and we're gonna get connected in a sec. You want to make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection for this password reading. Now it tells me that I need the star connector, the special connector that goes underneath the steering column. If you don't know what it is, look on my videos and you will see how to connect it. We're gonna go ahead and approve it, and now it's gonna look for the pin code, and it's gonna take between 1 and 10 minutes. I'm gonna skip it, and after that wait, you're gonna see 5-digit. Then I'm gonna go to Immobilizer Smart System because it's a push to start. I'm gonna go to key learning, and I'm gonna hit OK. And it tells me to take all the original keys out. There is 2 in the memory, and we're gonna register the next one. He tells me the password and he asks me to verify it. And the next step is gonna tell me to push with the proximity to the ignition for about a minute, but actually after like 30 seconds that's gonna register, and then right after it registers it tells me to release the push button, and I'm gonna hit OK on the machine, and it's all done. Now we're gonna go and test it out. It locks and unlocks, starts the car, everything comes on. There is 3 keys in the memory. We're testing the lock and the unlock. Everything works the way it should. Universal Autel, highly recommended. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, write in the comments below and I would love to answer. Thank you very, very much for watching.